Welcome, I'm Oriel Morrison-Higgins and I'm joined today by James Gurry, the Managing Director of Aureka. James, it's great to see you again. Welcome.
Hi Ariel, good to be with you.
Now, your drilling has just hit visible gold in the Walker Zone at Comstock. Do you want to give us a bit of an update on that?
Yeah, absolutely, Oriel. Your listeners and audience might remember that we're doing infill drilling here on the Comstock Project here just north of the Sonana Township. And we started that about 2 months ago, and we've just intersected visible gold for the first time. So we previously had visible gold on the main Comstock area, but our first production area is just out here to the right on that screen. And we've hit visible gold, got some of it here in the core, which is fantastic. So we look forward to getting that off to the lab and getting those assays back very soon.
What are your expectations? I mean, what does that tell you that you've seen this visible gold in the secondary structure?
Well, it's very, very important for us because what we're targeting there in the Walker's part of the pit, that's our area that we've selected for possible first up production. We've just put the mining license application in about 6 weeks ago, and our program is following up some very, very high grade holes that were done back in the 1980s and the 1990s. So it's absolutely fantastic that we're seeing the visible gold here now in the core, which is giving us those preliminary indications that the historical gold that we think is there from the previous drilling remains there and is there ready for us to begin mining as soon as we get all our approvals done.
So you've got a toll milling agreement in place right now. You're working on your approvals, as you just talked about, and your licensing is all underway. What are the next steps from here on out?
Yeah, we've selected the Comstock Project as our first up production target, and we recently, just 3 weeks ago, confirmed a toll milling partnership with a mill that's located only 45 kilometres away from the Comstock Project. So at Comstock, we've got 56,000 ounces of gold at a decent grade, and we plan to get that into production as soon as we can and for as low capital as we can. What we confirmed also about a month and a half ago was that, generally speaking, it'll be a very low capex endeavour to get this pit into production again, because the pit ramp's there, the pit access is there. That ramp and that access is supporting the current drill rig, which is operating every day. So it's all coming together as we see visible gold. We've got the JORC resource. We've got the toll milling agreement or partnership in place, and we've submitted the small-scale production license. So everything's happening on the Comstock Project for us.
So what's the timeline then, James? When can investors expect to hear your next announcement?
We do try and have an announcement every couple of weeks or so, and it's been a tough market at the moment, so it's even more important to let our shareholders know that we're working doubly hard in their interests. We've got the 2 rigs running, one on the big project, which is the Irvine project, which has got nearly 400,000 ounces of gold in the inferred category. And, that's a rather big development. But also, importantly, this is our first up production project. And we hope to have the assays back from the visible gold. And of course, we're drilling every day. So there's always a chance that we come up with assays anytime. So I do encourage people to stay tuned and be subscribed to Aureka and our updates, because we're working very hard with 2 rigs out in the field and advancing as fast as we can towards the first up production and everything we need to achieve that.
Excellent. Well, we're very much looking forward to chatting to you again, James, in the not too distant future. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today.
Great. Thanks, Ariel. Look forward to speaking to you next time.